Hello, little learners! Welcome back to Color Fun Factory! Today, we have a super fun game for you. Can you guess the animal by its sound? Let's find out! Are you ready? Let's go! Here's the first sound. Listen carefully. Can you guess which animal makes this sound? Shout it out! That's right! It's a bear! Great job! Now let's go see some real bears! Did you know that bears can climb trees and swim? And they have an incredible sense of smell! They can smell food from miles away! Bears communicate with each other through sounds, smells, and body language. They use grunts, roars, and even leave scent marks to talk to other bears. Did you know that bears hibernate? During the winter, bears sleep for months without eating or drinking. They find a cozy den and rest until spring. Wow, aren't bears amazing? Let's try another one. Can you guess which animal makes this sound? Shout it out. Did you guess lion? Awesome job! Now let's go see some lions. Lions are powerful animals that can run at speeds of up to 50 miles per hour in short bursts and leap as far as 36 feet. A lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away. They roar to communicate with their pride and to declare their territory. Even though they are called the king of the jungle, lions actually live in savannas and grasslands, not jungles. Lions are so cool. Ready for another animal? All right, everybody, listen closely. Can you guess which animal makes this sound? Shout it out. That's right, it's a cow. Great job. Now let's go learn about some real cows. Moo! Did you know cows give us milk? One cow can give enough milk to fill 400 glasses in a single day. That's a lot of milk. A group of cows is called a herd. Cows like to stay close to their friends and family, just like we do. Isn't that cool? A baby cow is called a calf. Calves drink their mother's milk and can stand up and walk just a few hours after being born. Cows are so cool. Let's see what other cool animals there are. Ready for another one? Listen closely. Do you know which animal makes this sound? Shout it out. It's a dog. You're doing awesome. Oh, look, I think there's a dog right over there. Did you know there are over 340 different breeds of dogs? Each breed has its own unique look and personality. Some dogs can run very fast. Greyhounds are some of the fastest dogs and can run up to 45 miles per hour. Wow, that's fast! Dogs are often called man's best friend because they are loyal and love spending time with people. Dogs are so much fun! What other fun animals are there? Last one, listen carefully. Which animal makes this sound? Shout it out. Did you guess elephant? Great job! Let's learn about elephants. Did you know elephants are the largest land animals on Earth? Some elephants can weigh as much as a school bus. Elephants have long trunks that they use like a hand. They can pick up tiny objects, drink water, and even give themselves a shower with their trunks. Elephants are very intelligent animals. They can solve problems, use tools, and have great memories. They can remember places and faces for many years. You did an amazing job guessing the animals by their sounds. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Color Fun Factory for more fun adventures. See you next time.